The DCK277C2 20 volts max lithium-ion cordless brushless combo kit is ideal for most drilling and fastening applications. Both the drill, driver and impact driver in the DEWALT toolkit is compact in design and excellent for hard-to-reach areas. Both DEWALT cordless tools feature a brushless motor. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DEWALT brushless motor of cordless drill combo kit delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. Number 2. Compact, 5.4-inch front to back, lightweight, 2.0 pounds. Impact driver design of the cordless tools combo kit fits into tight areas. Number 3. Compact, 7.52-inch front to back, lightweight drill driver in the drill impact driver combo kit is designed to fit into tight areas. Number 4. An ergonomic comfort grip handle provides ideal balance and tool control. Number 5. LED light with a 20-second trigger release delay provides increased visibility in dark or confined spaces. Number 6. Impact driver's one-handed loading 1/4-inch hex chuck accepts 1-inch bit tips. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.